Take two. Hey guys, welcome to another vlog. It's Saturday and I'm getting ready to paint. Today is day 54 of the 100-day project, and I had this idea for an illustration where the girl is wearing a floral skirt. Let me show you. Here's the sketch. I was thinking that the flowers on the skirt would be coming out of her clothing as if it's flying off her skirt, if that makes sense. I'm also thinking about incorporating text into the illustration, but I don't want to use my handwriting. So maybe I'll add that digitally. We'll see. Sunday. I'm finishing up a painting for day 55 of the 100-day project, and I'm currently watching Space Force. I'm 9 episodes in, and I don't know, it's just in the background, sort of like a background noise while I paint. Today I thought of painting one of my favorite artists, Leigh Ellexson. This is a painting reference from one of her photos on Instagram. I'll try to put it up somewhere on the screen. But yeah, that's what I'm doing today.
But it is important to feel productive, to feel like you're ticking things off, to feel like you're incorporating personal projects into work time, and to feel like you're getting housework done. All of these things
Hi guys, it's Wednesday, June 3rd. It's around 2:30. Yes, 2:30. I dug up an old tripod from the storage so I can prop up the camera now, and it's not shaking. I just wanted to have a little chat with you guys. If you've noticed, I don't film my mornings because I usually take that time to help with the house. Usually it's just house chores, laundry, cooking, um, cleaning, normal stuff. And if I film that, I'd be bringing a really heavy camera everywhere in the house, and I don't want to. Maybe if I get a smaller camera, I can do that. But in the meantime, I'm skipping filming in the morning. It's very uneventful anyway. Also, I just got this in the mail. It's a Moleskine art collection sketchbook. And I've been wanting a Moleskine sketchbook for a while, like maybe 2 years now, but they're so expensive. And they're really hard to find here. It was on sale and I got it for a cheaper price. And I can't wait to try it. I really have high hopes for this sketchbook. I'm hoping it doesn't disappoint me, I guess. We'll see.